$1,400 today, 3 trades. We're going to break it down. But before we do that, if you're struggling through the volatility, or this week, the lack of volatility that we've had, just know that there are a lot of people struggling in these uncertain markets. So don't beat yourself up about it, especially if it's your first, maybe second year as a trader, even third or fourth year, honestly. We don't get volatility like this that often. So it's a big unknown for a lot of you. My advice is to learn, document, study, do review videos like this, like I do, mark up your trades. That way you learn now, survive, and be ready, or at least more prepared next time the volatility comes. One thing I can do for you is put you on to Futures 101. So this is a free course we built. I'm not going to say too much about it. There's a link in my bio. This will take you to the free course. Give this your time. It's 3 hours. I know this will make a difference for you. This course is basically the main reason why we have so many 5-star Trustpilot reviews, 318 and counting right now. So the 3 trades today. First, I was short this morning pre-market, as you can see here at 7 o'clock this morning. I'm short off of this blue VWAP. That's the previous day New York VWAP. You can see I'm short 2 minis at 53.29. I'm out at 53.22. Also notice this dotted line above us. That's the daily VWAP, the overnight VWAP from the changeover last night. You anchor that to 6 p.m. Eastern time. That VWAP also bearish. So I'm trading pre-market, but I'm trading with VWAP. I'm not trying to fight the trend. You can see at 6 o'clock, we got some volatility. It breaks that VWAP. Buyers can't step back in. We make new lows. Now that we make new lows, I'm looking for a lower high and another leg down. That was the trade this morning. I also came in today with a little bit of a short bias. Ultimately, that didn't play out. But as a scalper, it's okay because I was still able to make money here short as well. Now, this trade was on my top 1 futures account. The first trade was on Tradeovate, which is on my Tradeify account. Those are the 2 prop firms that I'm trading with right now. I will put a link in my bio, link in the description to get you guys any discounts that they're offering right now. If you don't have a prop challenge or you're not in it right now, use the discount code. That'll save you some money. This trade, also taught in Futures 101, comes off the previous day New York VWAP. I wanted to be short at 53.30, way up here, but I didn't want to fight the New York VWAP, this blue line here. So I waited. Once we broke it, I got short with a stop at the structure high. It pins the previous day New York VWAP and then quickly comes back under VWAP and moves to target. Mid-range trades like this, meaning it's in between the opening range high and low. It's right in the middle of the range here. These trades stop usually near top of range or structure like we did here, and then target is bottom of range, set back here, opening range low. This does end up going lower. So I'm out of the trade at 53.08. I'm in the trade at 53.20. Today, where did ES drop to at most in that move lower? Go back here and check. All the way down to 52.86. So I still left money on the table, 22 points, but I'm not here to catch the whole move. I did my job. Short pre-market in one account, made money. Short during market open, made money. See you later. Locked out. A lot of people got chopped around this afternoon in here. Short week, holiday week. Market is very uncertain, right, everybody? They don't know when is the Fed going to cut rates. Are they going to listen to Trump? Is Trump going to fire Powell? Very uncertain. And that's reflected in the price action today. So the last thing I want to do, I told you about the prop firm stuff. I told you about where my accounts are at. I think about 4,300 this week. So it's been a good week for me, but I've been very scalpy. I've been aware of the fact that we could be trapped inside a range created by the Trump candle. I've been saying it all week. That Wednesday announcement of the pause in tariffs has basically sucked the volatility out of the market, especially this week. Look at how much smaller our bars are this week than they've been the last 2 months. So is the volatility drying up? Tell me in the comments. Tell me what you think. I think it definitely could. And I think we could trade between 5,500 and 5,000, those 2 price levels here, for a long time. We could be stuck in here until there's a resolution with tariffs. So that's my input on the market. That's my week. I've done a video recap every day for you guys this week. They're all posted on my YouTube channel. We've got a big podcast going up tomorrow with Tom Basso. If you stayed through this whole recap, make sure you get on the podcast Saturday morning, 8 a.m. Eastern. Tune in. We're doing a giveaway if you're in the live chat. But don't miss the episode. This is my 4th podcast with Mr. Basso, but the first one in the last 2 years. So we had a lot to catch up on. So I think you guys will like it. Have a great Easter, everybody. Hope you had a good trading week, and I'll see you guys next week.